So recently, when we are looking around, every day there are more and more horrendous and gruesome incidents of rape and violence on women, which has been appearing from UP, from Kerala, even across the country. The girl was pulled out of the train in Kerala and raped. In UP, a minor girl has been raped. Her both hands have been chopped. There's another case of a girl who was sitting with her boyfriend next to a park. The boy was pulled out and beaten up, and the girl was raped by 5 group of gangsters. Now, growing incidence of rape really indicates one very, there is some kind of illness which our society is suffering at the moment, but at the same time there is no cure which has been put in place in an effective manner. Thousands of cases of rape against women are waiting in the court for any kind of decisive judgment. Whatever the cases, the type of cases which have come to the court, one common thing is that in the long run the cases are going on for 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, and in the process the investigation gets really weakened, a lot of evidences get lost, the witnesses turn hostile, and finally, ultimately, the culprit is going scot-free, the criminal is going scot-free, and the victim gets no justice. That has become kind of pattern that we are witnessing. And for years and years, women's groups are demanding to set up fast-track courts. In this context, we also have been meeting the Home Minister of India, requesting him to set up fast-track court, because only through fast-track method that victim can be given justice and can be really brought, and culprit can be brought to book. Now, there has been no response to it. It's almost this outcry has been falling on deaf ear. Nothing has happened so far. Unless there is fast-track court set up, no rape victim is going to get justice. And it's not that we don't have the instances. We have cases, for example, the case of rape of a German girl in Rajasthan. The lower court delivered the judgment in 17 days. So it is possible. There are ways and methods to do it. We appeal to Supreme Court of India because the government is not listening. Supreme Court of India can take suo motu action and set up a system of fast track and transfer all the cases of rape against women in that. So at least one message goes loud and clear that if you try and violate, do any kind of sexual assault on women, violate her dignity, you will not be spared. No culprit, no criminal will be spared if try to rape a woman.